Have you ever felt overwhelmed at work, like you've got too much on your plate and a list of jobs as long as your arm and never-ending demands on your time? Today, I'm going to teach you a simple way to reset your mind and relieve your stress so you can manage your workload without feeling so swamped. Get comfortable somewhere quiet where you won't be disturbed, either sitting or lying down. Make sure your body is comfortable with a good posture. And then gently closing your eyes. Start to let your body settle into the chair or the surface you're on as you breathe out, getting more and more comfortable, letting the weight of your body feel fully supported. Often we think there's something wrong with us when we feel our workload is daunting. We believe we should be able to cope better and achieve more. These thoughts and feelings of overwhelm are very common. Begin taking a deep breath in and sigh out through the mouth on your exhale, and know that you're not alone in your thoughts. What happens when we feel we're not coping if we start an internal dialogue with ourselves that can be very critical and unsupportive? We want to quieten this inner critic, but first we must welcome it into our experience. Yes, it sounds counterproductive, but I want you to actively tune into the chatter in your head that's telling you that you're out of your depth. Just let it chat away. Notice the long list of things you have to do and all the demands on your time. The common misconception is that we need to ignore and push down the thoughts and feelings from this inner critic. But if we want to gain control, we must first acknowledge that it's there. So notice how all this internal chatter about your workload makes your body feel perhaps tense or tired or nervous. Welcome these feelings into, just for a moment, see the full extent of what's occurring in your inner world. Now start to slow your breath. Begin to turn your attention away from those thoughts of overwhelm and anxiety in your body. Not trying to force them out. Simply choosing to focus more and more on the attention of your breath. Let the rhythm of your breath be relaxed and easy, letting your exhale fall from your body like a soft breeze. You may already begin to feel your overwhelm dissipating. This happens when we acknowledge the frenetic activity in our mind and the anxiety in our body, and then gently turn our attention to something more soothing, like our breath. So even though your life hasn't changed, we're learning that your focus can. If your focus drifts back to your old thoughts, this is completely normal. Simply bring your attention back to your calming breath as you breathe in and out. Bringing more and more of your attention to your long, slow, relaxing breath. And let your breath soothe your body and then your mind. Let your muscles soften, especially around your mouth, jaw and eyes. Allow your bones to feel hollow and weightless. Joints soft and spacious. Your whole body inside and out, relaxing more and more as you breathe out. Even have a sense of your thoughts relaxing into the back of your brain, where they become still and quiet. Enjoy flooding your body with soothing softness as you breathe out and letting your mind be calm. Until you feel you're just on the very edge of sleep, very relaxed, but fully awake. Now as you rest here, know that it's possible to carry this relaxed, calm state back into your day. It's your choice. So very subtly, with great sensitivity, begin to acknowledge again your feelings of overwhelm and stress. Remember, these are all normal feelings and it's very common to feel this way about your work. Only this time as you survey your day, be kind and gentle with yourself. As you begin to sense again the things that are on your plate. Breathe out, letting a more encouraging, supportive and loving attitude towards yourself wash over you. With every exhale, let a calm, kind, uplifting energy settle into your body. Have a sense you're resetting your compass, settling the needle of your compass towards the empowering feelings. Breathe in and breathe out and let these feelings of empowerment seep into your cells. Now, before we finish this meditation, have a sense of yourself in your day. Doing your work with ease and flow, feeling organized and productive. Moving effortlessly from one task to the next. Take a deep breath in and sigh your exhale, letting this new way of being land deep in your body and your mind. Always remembering that your mind can be your worst enemy or your best friend. Always check in with yourself when you're feeling overwhelmed, because now you have the knowledge and control you need to make your mind your best friend. Taking a moment more to reflect on your time spent here and the lessons you'll bring back into your day. Slowly bringing your attention back to the space around you, the feeling of the surface beneath you, the weight of your body, and letting your body move and stretch if you want to. And in your own time, slowly opening your eyes. And before you move on with your day, just take a moment to reflect on how you feel having taken this time out for your day, dedicating this time for yourself and your personal growth and development. Even if there's only a tiny improvement in the way you feel, maybe more relaxed or focused, it's worth it because you're teaching your mind and your body that you can feel composed even when life is hectic. If you found it difficult to calm your mind and body, don't worry, that's normal. This is a practice, and with each practice you'll be able to reset your compass more and more easily and come back to your day feeling focused and calm. This simple technique can be applied at any time of any day to help relax the whole body and mind and reset your compass to relieve feelings of overwhelm.